Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. In today's video what I'm doing is cooking some char grilled chicken. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so in today's video we're going to be cooking another family favourite, and it's char grilled chicken thighs on the Baby Q. Now we're going to be doing our own marinade with this as well. There will be links in the description to everything you use today. That includes the recipe and the marinade recipe, so make sure you check those out. So what we'll do is run straight into it. Right, so first up, before we start that marinade, you're going to want a Ziploc bag. Now this is purely to put all your ingredients in, and then you're going to marinate your chicken in this in the fridge. So what we'll do is quickly zoom in and just quickly go through what ingredients you need, and then we'll start making the marinade. Right, so for the marinade you're going to need your olive oil. So we're going to be using a cup of olive oil, half a cup of white wine. Now I haven't got any white wine, so I'm using rosé. Some white wine vinegar. You're going to need 5 cloves of garlic. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of parsley, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of cooking salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now I haven't got red pepper flakes, so what I'm going to be using is some crushed chilli. We're also going to be using the rind of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lemon. And then we'll marinate that and leave it in the fridge for up to 6 to 8 hours. So prepare this in the morning. I find that's the easiest way. As usual, everything I use today will be linked in the description below. That includes the recipe as well and all the ingredients, so make sure you check those out. So what we'll do now is jump in and start making this marinade. Right, so first up we're going to add 1 cup of olive oil, half a cup of white wine vinegar, and half a cup of rosé wine. You can use white wine, I haven't got on, so I'm using rosé. Then to that mixture we're going to add 5 cloves of crushed garlic. Now you can use fresh herbs in this, but I'm going to be using dried herbs today, so literally reduce it by 1/3 if you're using the dried herbs. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Then we're going to add the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to ziplock this up and just give all that mixture a mix around to get that mixed and that marinade mixed together. Right, so now that marinade's all mixed, it's time to get that chicken out of the fridge and get it marinated. Right, so today we're going to be using 3 pounds of chicken thighs, the skinless variety. I find the ones without the skin actually absorb the marinade a lot more. So it's literally 1.3 kilos, which equates to 3 pounds. Right, so we've got our chicken unpackaged and our marinade is all made. So this is all ready to go in the marinade. Now what I find with the skinless chicken, it's giving you a great surface for the marinade to all soak in and actually get that marinade goodness and taste in that meat. So what we'll do is get these in the marinade. Right, so our chicken thighs are soaking in that marinade, and what I like to do is actually get this done in the morning, purely so it's ready for the afternoon when you're going to cook that dinner. So that chicken now has got 4 to 8 hours to soak in that marinade in the fridge. Right, so now our Baby Q's been on for 10 minutes preheat. We've got it literally up to around the 200-degree mark. We're going to get that chicken on and we're going to cook it for between 6 to 8 minutes per side. So let's get that chicken on. Chicken's been on for about 6 minutes. I've turned it, so we're just waiting for that to finish for the last 6 minutes. Right, so we're just tenting our chicken into the tin foil and we'll just let that rest for 10 minutes. Right, so that chicken's been resting for about 10 minutes now. You may have noticed that there wasn't any footage of me flipping that chicken. Sadly, the camera wasn't recording at that specific moment in time. So what we'll do now is jump in and start checking out this chicken. Oh, and you can actually smell the herbs in there. Absolutely beautiful. That's to one side. And we'll just cut one open. It's literally falling apart. Right, so it wouldn't be right without a bit of a taste test, so let's give this chicken a test and see what it turned out like. Now it's not too spicy. Those blend of herbs actually turn out well. Like I said in the video, if you want to use your own herbs, you can use freshly chopped herbs. Obviously, just if you use the dried herbs, reduce it by 1/3 of the amount of herbs you use. But it tastes, to me, it's like a mild version of Nando's. It's really, really nice. It's balanced out. It's not too hot. It's not too spicy. It's just right. Right, so I enjoyed that video and I hope you found it really informative. And as you could see, it literally took between 6 to 8 minutes to actually cook that chicken on the grill. What I did with mine as well, which you didn't see in the video, was when I put it on, I literally turned the gas off momentarily while I put that on because I didn't want that chicken and the olive oil flaring up. So as the olive oil lands, you don't want any flare up. So literally turn your gas off, put your chicken on, and then reignite it. And that's how I found that's the easiest way. Otherwise, you're going to get a flare up from that olive oil literally going on that grill. But that chicken worked out superb. You got the right balance. Like I said, it tasted a bit like Nando's, just like a milder version. If you wanted more heat in there, you can put some more chili flakes in there, or even chili powder, depending what type of heat you want in your chicken. But for the whole family, people who don't like heat, it's the right balance. Everything I used in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and also there will be the recipe and the ingredients down there. So make sure you check those out. Now again, those new to the channel, if you're finding you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment. If I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut 20 bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. Sadly, the camera wasn't recording at that specific timing moment. Ding that bell so you don't miss any of it. But that chicken worked out absolutely superb.